Somali.
knock it up.
Yun lang yung Somali.
Something sticking in the house down the side.
How to eat?
And it's covered.
Somali's got sausage roll. Oh, look at that.
Did you give her the sausage roll? Jenny?
Huh?
Did you give her the sausage
Yeah, I still have a lot left. I'll do what you like.
Yeah,
No, Molly's got one. Yeah, for her. Molly.
won't give the roll.
Oh no, use that when we're in the bridge.
I need it for encouragement later.
Her face. Mom.
Chicken and rice and thingy.
Early morning.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Over, down. Over. Bang.
That's a quick bang.
Bang. Too excited. Sit. Sit down now. Sit down. Sit down. Too excited. Sausage rolls. Lie down. No. Sit. Lie down.
Oh, I like him.
Wait. Wait.
There's no taste in it or anything, is there? It's just straight
Wait.
in. Yeah, that's right.
Wait. Wait.
Day. He's going to make it that old lady.
So beautiful today. Oh, there's the boat.
Photo, that's taken.
Ah, yeah, look at that whale. So you pay about £5 to get into that. How amazing. Hi, Gansa. Hello. Napakihon ko ba? Row your boat. Look, amazing. So all the Gansa are there. Look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. There's the boat. Rowing. The dogs just literally sat there. Oh. Look at the boat and the swans. It's so nice in here. Look at this little thing. He's so cute. It's so nice in here when it's sunny. You can just walk along the river and just enjoy Minsan hindi ako mahilig maano sa river mahulog. Just look. Ah, how cute. Bugsay, bugsay, kiling-kiling, jutay. Bugsay, bugsay, kiling-kiling, jutay. Oh, I like the view. This is swimming small. Most too deep, darling.
For the paddleboard.
She was supposed to put her leg. Ah, Molly me.
Jenny, look at that.
What?
Hanging from the mouth.
Berries. Wait, how good. It's very sweet. Say hi.
Hi! Tagish kayo.
I read.
Ay, Dai, is this Visaya, Tagalog, or English? Or
Trilingual.
Mangain tayo.
Mangain tayo.
Mangain.
Galing sa kasagutan. Look.
So many. Pero hindi pa siya ano. It's not ripe yet.
Guys, so many berries. Look at the berries. Oh, so many of them. Look. Ah, there's many berries just on the side of the road. So we're having salmon nibbles, some what's it called? Sausage rolls, and look at this, amazing. Some tomato, different kind of cheeses, and what's this called again, Abe?
Walnuts.
Walnuts. Oh, amazing, yummy. Ignore my hair. I just want to show you a first impression of trying soju. Okay. I have shut. So just ignore my hair. My hair has gone crazy. Anyway, let's try soju. So this is the soju Atilia got me, my friend here in the UK, from the Asian shop. According to the Surgeon General, women should not drink alcohol, icy beer during pregnancy. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'll try it. We'll see, we'll see. Ooh, it smells really nice. It's a plum flavor. So, cheers. Oh, it tastes like this one with a plum. It tastes like calpo. So I don't know what it tastes like without the flavor. Really tastes like calpo. So I'm not sure. That's my first impression of soju. But because it's a flavored one, maybe that's why. But with the maybe the one with the non-flavored one. Try it. I think that's how you drink it. No, that's rude.